This question asks us to solve the inequality negative 2x plus 7 is greater than 3x minus 13. So I do this in a slightly different fashion than most textbooks. I'm going to solve it as an equation. Negative 2x plus 7 equals 3x minus 13. Let's get all the x's on one side. I'm going to choose to add 2x to both sides. 0 plus 7, 3x plus 2x is 5x minus 13. Add 13 to both sides. And I get 20 is 5x. Dividing by 5, I get 4 is x. Now look at the symbol. It's greater than, not greater than or equal to. Since it's greater than, the cut point of 4 is going to have an open circle. If it was greater than or equal to, it would have to be a closed or a solid circle. So here is where I differ than most. We solve it as an equation to find a cut point. And then we look on either side, pick numbers on either side. To the right of 4, a good choice would be 5. To the left of 4, you might want to use 3, but I think 0 is better because 0 is the easiest thing to plug in. So in the case of 0, I'm looking at the original. I'm looking at negative 2x plus 7 greater than 3x minus 13. Plug in 0, what's that going to give me? Negative 2 times 0 plus 7 greater than 3 times 0 minus 13. Negative 2 times 0 is 0 plus 7 greater than 3 times 0 is 0 minus 13. Is 7 greater than negative 13? It is. That's true. If that's true, we shade that way. Now what about 5? Again, our equation, or excuse me, our inequality was negative 2x plus 7 is greater than 3x minus 15. We're going to plug 5 in for x. Negative 2 times 5 plus 7 is greater than 3 times 5 minus 15. Negative 2 times 5, negative 10 plus 7 is greater than, that's 3x minus 13. I think I miscopied that. I will fix that now. Is greater than 15 minus 13. Negative 10 plus 7, negative 3 is greater than 2. Is negative 3 more than, is owing 3 better than having 2? No, that's false. So I'm not going to shade that way. So in interval notation, always go left to right. How far does it go? To negative infinity. How far on the right does it go? To 4. What kind of a ending symbol do we have here? It's an open circle because of greater than, that will be a round bracket. If it were greater than or equal to, it would be a square bracket. So that is our interval notation for that. But I'd like to take a look at that on Desmos to see if there's a way for us to convince ourselves that that's correct. So let's take a look at Desmos. I am going to graph y equals negative 2x plus 7 and see what it looks like. And that's the red line, okay? We wanted negative 2x plus 7 to be greater than 3x minus 13. 3x minus 13 is the blue line. So where is the red line greater than the blue line? Well, here the red line is on top, on top, on top, on top until we get here. And now the blue line is on top. So where is negative 2x plus 7 greater than 3x minus 13? On the interval that ends here and goes all the way back, yes. So from negative infinity to 4, the red line is bigger than the blue line, from negative infinity to 4. Which is what we said. From negative infinity to 4, the red line here is bigger than the blue line.